What's up, YouTube? I'm back and we're working on my little RAM project I have been building. So right now what I gotta do is replace the receiver, because the receiver is a Spectrum receiver, but I didn't realize that the throttle is weird and it doesn't work with the Spectrum receiver. So I found this in some of my junk parts. I found this and I tried using it. I know it works, but it was a bad receiver. So what we're gonna do is I brought a new one and we're gonna put it in here. That's the new one right there. We're gonna put it in my beautiful RAM right here. So I'm just gonna go through the steps of doing it. So right now I'm gonna take out my old receiver, my Spectrum one. Take that out and place that over here somewhere. And then we're going to, that's the old one, we're going to put the, at least I think it's the old one. That seems like the old one. Yeah, it's the old one. Anyways, we're going to put the new one in there. So just place it right there. Then, once we put the new one on there, we're just going to put the, see, this is the, it seems like the power source, so we're going to put that in here. Then put the receiver, or put the servo. At least I think I'm not a professional at this, so you can tell me what mistakes I'm making in the comments below. So I'm gonna put the servo right here. There we go. Yeah, the wires are missing. Don't seem like it. Yeah, so alright, so I'm going to go get a battery and we're going to test it. So I'll be back. I got two just in case one is dead. So we're going to put this battery right there. Alright, and now we're going to test it. First, we gotta get the Dumborc RC remote. So this set is a Dumborc RC. It comes with a Dumborc RC controller and a receiver. So we're just gonna turn it on, and we're gonna turn on my ECU. Alright, now that's on. Probably need to flip that around real quick. Like I said, I'm not a pro at this, so it's gonna take me a hot minute to figure this out. There we go. Hold on, I gotta see which one's new and which one's old. Okay, so this is the new one, because it has, so this one you can see it has a brighter light, and the old one is this one, which has a sad little dim, I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there. It has a sad little dim light. So the new one has the brighter light, and it's not because of the battery, it's just because something's weird wrong with the receiver itself. So I'm going to put that there. I'm going to put the servo here, and we're going to try to connect these together. So what you're going to want to get is a small little pick or something. I'm going to use this small little Phillips screwdriver, but maybe if it'll fit. But you hold it down. Just keep holding. Alright, I figured it out. I had the plug in the wrong slot. I told you I was not a professional at this. So now what we're going to do is, what I was been trying to do is get our driver, make sure our Dumborc controller is on, and make sure the receiver is blinking. Also make sure the power plug is in the first channel. That's your bind. So what we're going to do now is hold it, blinking, and connected. Boom. Just gonna put it in there. Oop, there it goes. Now we are going to plug in the servo. I don't know. Yes, this one right here. Boom. So we're pretty much ready. Well, I gotta get new links for it because this is a model body. So I gotta get custom links for the link right here. Because it's a little too short. So that's why it's not performing like others. But yeah, that's how you get the receiver to work on a little Enduro transmitter or ECU. So this is GSR, and peace.